smart traders, and welcome in this new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to see the Python basics. Indeed, it's necessary to master some knowledge in Python to create your own project in the algorithmic trading field. To explain the really basics of Python, we are going to see the type of objects, numbers, strings, booleans, etc. Then the Python structures, so the conditional structures and the loop structures, and we are going to finish this chapter working on the functions. Here I have put some useful links, so if you want to join our community to speak with other traders, or if you have any difficulties with the formation, I really invite you to click in this link to join our community. If you want to see the book which the courses is based, we can find it with this link, and we can find the Crontrio's YouTube channel if you're interested more in the algorithmic trading.